Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making curly fries. You will need 3 russet potatoes, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of seasoned salt. Combine the cayenne pepper and seasoned salt, mix well, then set it aside until later. Now peel and spiral cut your potatoes. Add your sugar to a pot of water, then bring the water to a boil. Now add the potatoes and allow them to cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, remove them from the water, then place them on a paper towel to dry. Make sure your potatoes are thoroughly dried before frying. Using a deep fryer, preheat your oil to 375 degrees. Fry your potatoes for 4 to 5 minutes until they are crispy and golden. After your fries are done, remove them from the oil, then place them on a paper towel. Lightly season your fries, then give them a quick toss, and now they are ready to serve. If you like fries like I do, then you must give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.